Hi, I'm Rick Lees. Today we're going to talk about cable tray. But you can't hang your coat on cable tray. You can on J-hooks. There are a variety of reasons to choose J-hooks over cable tray. One is simple handling. What I've got in my hands right here would be the equivalent of a 6x20 10-foot piece of basket tray, based on the fill rates prescribed by the NEC. As you can see, it's a lot easier handling. You can carry them in the trunk of your car, back of your pickup truck. They fit easy. These can be in stock anywhere, whereas if you're dealing with basket tray, you got to pre-order all the number right turns and left turns and T's. Doesn't make any difference with J-hooks. If you get into the job site after the ductwork guy's been there and the duct is taking up your pathway, no big deal. You just drop it down a little bit, go down, around, left, right. Doesn't matter. The J-hooks give you so much versatility versus cable tray, ease of installation. The idea is we want to get on the job and off the job quicker. 2-inch J-hooks for hanging off beam flanges. We make them for wall mounts. Any way that you're going to hang cable tray, it's going to be easier, faster, more cost effective in the long run with a J-hook. A CAT 64 HP uses about 10% of the material of a 2x12 basket tray, which it replaces. We sell J-hooks that come in a variety of different colors, so you can segregate your cables, so you can have your data run separate from your phone lines, separate from your nurse call lights, anything that you need to do to keep segregated, security, whatever. You color code them, and you don't have to worry about sorting through your cables at a later date.